Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about multiplying and dividing fractions. First, I'm going to go over how to multiply fractions together. And it's actually quite simple. Basically, you're just going to take the numerator of the fractions and multiply those numbers together, and then take the denominator of the fraction and multiply those numbers together. So, for example, if we take 1/2 times 1/2, well, 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 2 is 4. Similarly, if we take 1/3 times 2/3, well, 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. And well, you may be wondering, well, why are these numbers getting smaller? Typically when you multiply things together, you're getting a larger number. Well, when it comes to multiplying and dividing fractions, the roles are switched. So when you multiply fractions together, you're getting a smaller number, and then when you're dividing fractions, you're going to get a larger number. And let me show you this visually. So if you take, let's say you take a half of a circle. So here's the whole circle, and we're just going to be focusing on the half. Essentially, what you're going to be doing is you're trying to take a half of this half. So it'll turn out to be something like this, where, this is a half circle here, but really this is a half of this half. But it is also a quarter of the whole. Similarly, if you want to take something like this, where there's a line, for the second example, where we were doing 1/3 times 2/3, essentially what we're focusing in on is this area right here. So this is 1/3, and what we're going to be doing is taking 2/3 of this 1/3. So this can be broken up into 3 equal parts. And so what is 2/3 of this 1/3? Well, it's this area right here. But what is this also? This is also 2/9, because this is broken up into 3 equal parts. This area can be broken up into 3 equal parts, and then this third area could also be broken up into 3 equal parts, so that the entirety is broken up into 9 equal parts. And that's how you multiply fractions.